Hi guys, it's Kensington. I am so excited. Today I achieved this gorgeous look using Pat McGrath's all new holiday collection, and I am so excited to show you guys how I achieved it. Okay guys, to start my skin prep, I'm just gonna use the essence. And this just is a perfect skincare prep for makeup, even on no makeup days like this product, everywhere. And the skin is all prepped. Let's get into some makeup. For foundation, of course, I'm starting with Skin Fetish. I like to warm it up on the back of my hand first, and I'll apply it with my finger. Okay, once we look a little bit crazy, we're going to go in with a beauty blender and just start blending it. Okay, and there's foundation. And here's where I do my concealer placement. I do a dot lower than you would think, and give it that snatch. And you can see with the line of concealer I did there, it just makes it look like I already have like a bit of contour. Okay, let's add some color back to my face. And just going to start applying. I like to apply my cream contour directly on my cheekbone. And these concealers are so versatile. For every concealer shade, there is a matching contour shade. Okay, she is ready to be blended. Okay, now to be setting my skin, I'm gonna be taking the loose powder. Okay, super easy, I am all set. Okay, let's get into eyes. I'm gonna be taking the two new Celestial Nirvana palettes. I'm gonna be starting with the 5-pan palette. Oh, look how gorgeous. First, I'm just going to be taking this shade, and today we're gonna keep the drama for the bottom lash line. Okay, we're starting with something like that. Going in with this shade right here. Have it. Place it on my eye. Wow. Okay, now on my right eye. Just the same exact thing. Okay, slide. Okay, the next palette I'm using is the brand new MTHRSHP Mega palette. And here it is. I am dying to play with this green, so let's tap into it. I want to start out with layers. I don't want to go in with too much product at once. And I'm not quite done yet. I think that this would go gorgeous with some black coffee eyeliner. And then we're going to take a brush and smudge it out. Now it's time to try and make these look as identical as possible. Okay, I think I want this look to pop a little bit more, so I'm gonna take this shade right here. Let's make it really pop. There we go. Love, 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 love. And I'm gonna just do a bit into here too. Since it is the inner corner, I want it to have a little bit of a highlight effect. And that is what I like to call a pop. Let's add some mascara. So freaking sick. Okay, there we have the eyes. Okay, now for blush. This is one of my all-time favorite blush shades, Cherish. Look how perfect this pink is. Okay, now for lips. I have the new Nude Venus Lip Trio, and you guys, I've never seen anything cuter. Look how tiny. First, I'm gonna be taking the lip liner. Look at this color. Yes, yes. I'm now taking the brand new gloss shade in Nude Venus, and this is just the juiciest lip combo ever, ever. Final little touch, I'm taking the holiday highlighter in Venusian Nude, and look how gorge. Just applying to my cheek. And then for my nose, I like to use my finger just to make it really pop. Okay, and I think we have the look. It is giving pop star. Okay, you guys, there you have it. That's how I achieved this gorgeous look. This holiday collection is absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait for y'all to try it. Bye.